I am Engineer Junaid Mushtaq Shah, Instructor Electrical at Government College of Technology, Mianwali. Today the topic of my lecture is double field revolving theory of magnetic flux. Double field revolving theory of magnetic flux in single phase motor. Here two phases are shown, phi 1 and phi 2. At initial point phi 0, it will start from phi 1 and phi 2 will be start at minus 90 degree. It is general formula for flux phi is equal to phi m sin theta. Two phases phi 1 and phi 2. We will consider two separate formulas for these two phases. First we will check at initial value. Phi is equal to 0 degree. Then phi 1 is equal to phi m sin theta 1. Phi 1 value will be at this point will be 0 degree. Here we will put sin theta 0 degree instead of theta 1. Phi 1 is equal to phi m sin 0 degree is equal to 0. When we will multiply this 0 with phi m, it will become 0. And the other phase phi 2 will be equal to phi m sin theta 2. Sin theta 2 here will be 90 degree. We will put minus 90 degree instead of theta 2. When we will calculate sin minus 90 degree is equal to minus 1. Then we will multiply with minus 1 with minus phi m. Phi 2 will be become minus phi m. Here phi r indicates that resultant flux. Resultant flux will be equal to square root of phi 1 square plus phi 2 square. Phi 1 is equal to 0 degree and phi 2 equal to minus phi m square. When we will calculate these values, it will become resultant flux will be equal to phi m. It means that flux is rotating at minus 90 degree from initial position. In second part, at 90 degree, phi 1 will be at 90 degree and phi 2 will be at 0 degree. At phi is equal to 90 degree, we will calculate phi 1 is equal to phi m dot sin theta 1. Sin theta 1 value will be 90 degree. When we will calculate this value, it will become 1, and when we will multiply 1 with phi m, it will become phi m. Phi 1 will be equal to phi m and phi 2 equal to phi m dot sin theta 2. Here the phi 2 value will be 0 degree and we will put 0 degree instead of theta 2. Sin 0 will be equal to 0. When we multiply 0 with phi m, it will become 0. For this calculation, resultant flux will be equal to square root of phi 1 square plus phi 2 square. Phi 1 value will be equal to phi m and phi 2 value will be equal to 0. When we will calculate these values, it will become resultant flux will be equal to phi r equal to phi m. Here we can easily understand and see that the 90 degree flux will be changed at this point from minus 90 degree to 180 degree.